In an absolutely absurd diktat from the Congress-led Ashok Gehlot government in Rajasthan, sports persons have been asked to give affidavits saying they have no link to either the RSS or the Jamaat-e-Islami to qualify for the state's sports awards. Weightlifter Vishal Singh was awarded 2 lakh rupees at the Rajasthan government sports award function, but not before he gave an undertaking that he had no connection with the RSS or the Jamaat-e-Islami. Though the move has taken the sports fraternity completely by surprise, the Rajasthan Sports Council says it's merely following the state government's orders. Let's go across to my colleague Harsha Kumari Singh, who joins me now from Jaipur. Harsha, this diktat is not the first time actually we've seen something of the sort coming in from the Ashok Gehlot government, but in an election year certainly is going to add fuel to fire.
Absolutely, it's created a huge political storm in the state. These were state-level awards being given to state-level sports persons, the one who qualify, say for Rajasthan, who do well in the nationals from Rajasthan state. So they were asked to sign an undertaking that they were not part of the RSS or the Jamaat-e-Islami and will not join in the future. Now that's what they were asked to sign before they were given their awards. The Sports Council says that they've done this on the guidelines of the state government. So these are guidelines they say they are following, but the sports secretary who one had spoken to off the record said that this is not a state government order. So some confusion between the government and the Sports Council. Obviously, now that this whole political storm has kicked off, they are going to try and pass the buck. So really what happened is something we have to get to the bottom of. But this kind of politics should not come into sports, and that's clearly what sports persons across Rajasthan are now saying.
Also, Harsha, how is this likely to play out politically, considering that it's an election year?
Well, absolutely, because the RSS is already reacting. The BJP Yuva Morcha has created a small demonstration, and the Jamaat-e-Islami Hind, I mean, they are definitely going to sort of create an issue about this. We spoke to one of Yunus Khan, who was the former sports minister in the Vasundhara government, and he's also said something like this is completely unacceptable. So really a political hot potato for the Gehlot government, the RSS on one side, the Jamaat-e-Islami Hind on the other side, and organizations related to that are definitely going to create an issue about this.
Also, you were talking earlier about how sports persons in Rajasthan have reacted. Naturally, most of them will be shocked with this coming in, especially since sports and politics, many have always tried to keep them completely separate one from the other.
Absolutely, because Rajasthan is not a state which has done very, very well at the level of sports, but they have had their fair share of sports people. So of course we will be tracking people like Krishna Punya, people like Limba Ram, asking them whether they have also been asked to sign this or not, because so far we do know, Ketki, that it was only the state level sports awards where they were asked to sign this. Whether the bigger sports people were asked to sign this or not, we don't know. In fact, probably not yet. So let's see what they have to say.
Right, Harsha, stay with us as we go across to Mr. Ram Madhav, RSS spokesperson as well. Sir, you've also tweeted this morning saying that it's absurd, such sort of a diktat coming in, and that action should also be taken against those who are actually implementing it.
Absolutely, because this is a patently illegal order. Government or Sports Council have no right to ask the sportsmen to sign any such affidavit, because these organizations which were named in that affidavit are neither banned nor are involved in any wrongful activity. They are constitutional bodies. They are bodies functioning voluntarily in this country. So we have taken it up as a very serious matter. Our cadres have protested yesterday. We are also contemplating taking legal action against the Sports Council. See, Sports Council is an autonomous body. There is no binding on this body to follow the illegal diktats of the government.
Right. Also, how do you plan to take it up, if at all, do you plan to take it up with the government itself, whether the state or here with the centre and the sports ministry?
No, see, this order, this affidavit has been issued by the Sports Council, Rajasthan State Sports Council, which claims that it is an autonomous body. and they are answerable. How can they issue such illegal affidavit and force?
Sir, because they are claiming they are merely following the guidelines given by the state government.
Let them say that in the court. Because
right, so
if it is an autonomous council, they are answerable. They should show what is the government order. Then government also will be held responsible.
Right. So you are contemplating legal action as well.
Absolutely, absolutely.
All right, Mr. Ram Madhav, thank you so much for speaking to NDTV. RSS spokesperson there saying they are now contemplating legal action since RSS has specifically been named in those guidelines and the order given by the Sports Council.